These images really have changed the way I see the ocean. This marine snow is like snow, but instead of being made of frozen water, it's made of organic matter. And within these particles is an entire invisible ecosystem. From a global perspective, small things are really important. Our bioreactors team is most keyed in on the things that are actually quite small, and they're forming the majority of the biomass in the ocean. Most of the biological activity is happening at the smallest size classes. So when I'm looking at the ROV footage, I'm really thinking about the specks of light that are constantly coming into view and wondering, if I zoom in on one of those particles, what will I see? Life has evolved many strategies to survive, and one of the most successful strategies is to stay small. In particular, single-celled organisms like bacteria and archaea and protists are incredibly successful, and they're very diverse, and they inhabit almost every ecosystem on Earth. And even within the multicellular life, many of the most successful organisms are small. We talk about the most abundant fishes in the ocean on this cruise a lot, and they are very small, less than a few centimeters in length. And they make up a large portion of the biomass in the ocean. I'm also thinking about the processes that form that particle, like animal feeding and pooping, or entrapment in mucus from an animal, how it is connected to things at a much larger scale, like the composition of our atmosphere and the amount and type of animal life that these particles are fueling in the deep ocean. So these processes that are happening at the micro scale are really important at the global scale. These ROV dives are a really unique opportunity for visually observing some of these processes I've been studying for a few decades, but rarely do I have the opportunity to see them.